Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle kimchi. First, you'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, including crisp cucumbers, salt, garlic, ginger, and the essential gochugaru. Next, prepare a simple brine solution to help draw out any excess water from your cucumbers, ensuring a perfect texture. Finally, slice your cucumbers into uniform pieces. This helps them pickle evenly and absorb all those wonderful flavors. It's a simple start to a delicious dish. Now, let's create that incredible kimchi paste. Begin by finely mincing your fresh garlic, ginger, and green onions to form a fragrant base. Then, in a separate bowl, combine the vibrant gochugaru, a splash of savory fish sauce, and just a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Remember, you can easily adjust the spice level by adding more or less of the chili flakes to suit your personal taste. This paste is where the magic happens. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes and tips. And speaking of easy, after all that delicious kimchi making, you'll want a clean kitchen. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for keeping your floors spotless. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your cucumbers ready and paste prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Thoroughly mix the brine cucumbers with your freshly made kimchi paste, ensuring every piece is coated. Next, pack the mixture tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove any air pockets. Finally, allow your pickle kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. This short fermentation develops its signature tangy flavor. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.